Hey guys, this is Otis Thomas. Wanted to shoot this quick video. Just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of the system that we're actually promoting right now. And if you also get into, you'll also be able to promote it as well. Now the system's name is Funnel X ROI. Now, one of the great things about this particular system is that you have 5 income streams. Now, with that, that means that once you drive traffic to one income stream, that it can offset, it can go to the other 4 if you get signed up with those companies. But right now, what I was going to do is just do a quick walkthrough, let you guys see what it is. And also, if you have any questions, you know you can always reach out to me. You can send me a direct message, or you can just write on my post as well. You can leave me a comment at the bottom of the video. So let me get started with doing this quick walkthrough. Now what we are right now is just on the dashboard. Now what this is just more or less explains to you what we're actually doing. Now you see the individual in the video, his name is David Deacle. Now David Deacle is one of the $100,000 members that actually started Funnel X ROI. Now what he does is just do a quick introduction video, let you know who he is and let you know how the system actually works. Now what we'll do is just scroll down, just ways that you can subscribe to his YouTube channel and also his Facebook. And here's some income proof on actually how the system is set up. Now if we come down to the bottom, it does say continue the next step, so that's what we'll do. And we'll just go to the next step and see where that actually takes us to. Alright, now as we go to the second step, what that actually shows is your first income stream. Now that's a company that we call Easy One Up. Now the great thing about Easy One Up is that it has up to 6 ways that you can actually profit with that particular company. Now you can come in at the $25 level, the $100 level, the $250 level, $500, $1,000, and also $2,000 level. Now one great thing I like about Easy One Up is that once you buy the $2,000 level, you get access to everything below that. So it's the same that works with the 1,000, the 500, the 250, the 100. So everything that you buy below that you get added to, but everything above you actually miss out on. So that's one of the caveats with that particular business. But if we go to the next step, what we'll see is the next income opportunity that we have. Give me one second. Now what this company is, now this is called our Now Lifestyle. Now as you see, I have not completed that step, but Now Lifestyle, about this. Now what that does is actually gives you those particular tools that you need into your business. Now the great thing I like about this company is that not only is it internet marketing based, but it's also around health and fitness, because I know a lot of times when you're working on your computer you don't really take a lot of time to do some workouts. So what this does is encourage you to start working out a little bit. And it also gives you a 7-minute workout plan. Because I know a lot of stuff, if you go on Instagram, you can find those little apps that you can download and you can do the workouts. But one thing I like about it, like I said, and I have to reiterate this, is I love the health and fitness idea, is that you can work out but also build your business as well. And you can sign up for that and get started, and that's another way you can make money on top of Easy One Up. So as we go down, we scroll down to the next step. Give me one second. Alright, now on this one, this is our Click Magic. Now a lot of people that's not really familiar with internet marketing, they don't understand why you would need something as Click Magic. Now Click Magic, what that does is it actually adds the tracking to your particular website. So when you get a visitor to actually come to your website, this actually lets you know where the visitor went to, what particular page did they stop on, and also did they make it through to the end of the funnel, or if they stopped at the beginning of the funnel. Because sometimes when you get started in this particular business model, what happens is that when you're new, you're running traffic, a lot of people won't convert past the opt-in page. But the great thing about Click Magic is that it educates you on where those particular prospects stop in at. and they can actually help you make better pages and more optimized pages to where people want to go fully through your funnel. So that's another income stream that you can actually sign up to make even more money. And the great thing about all these steps is that it comes with an introductory video as well. As we scroll down, and this is just some income proof. The great thing about ClickMagick and a lot of these tools is that you need them anyway. So why not sign up to them and also get the affiliate pay as well. So as we go down to the next step, give me 1 second. All right. And this is where we start stepping into even more. Now this is called, as you see, I did finish that one. This is called our funnel advanced. Now this is David's own training. Now once you go to that particular step, what that does is then adds even more training for you, and it also has a co-op. Now if you're not, like I said, if you're not familiar with this particular business, what a co-op is just a group of individuals compiling money together to go into marketing. So if, let's say, you don't know how to market, you want to get those individuals that are familiar with online marketing. They know where to put their money into, and they know where to get the best ROI or return on investment. So that's where you start to look up a co-op. So you can start doing those things, and you can also go into the trainings as well that they do have on Funnel Advanced. Now on my next video, what I will do is actually go one by one into each step, explain it to you a little bit deeper so you can get a more familiarity with what's going on with this particular system as well. You give me 1 second. Now what this is our last and definitely not the least income stream. Now this is called Advertising Boost. Now the thing about Advertising Boost, and earlier this year, what you do is actually give away hotel stays at different reservations. Give me 1 second. The video started without me, so let me pause that. Now with all these income streams, the great thing about it is that I do believe that with Easy One Up, I believe that pays daily. So once someone signs up, you get paid instantly. With Advertising Boost, it does take a month, so it pays every month. So this is like you have your instant pay, but you also have those monthly pays. So let's say, I know a lot of times individuals have more expenses at the end of the month than they do have the money. You spend all your money that you make through with your job, and you still need a little bit left, or you still have a small percentage of disposable income that you can put into a business. But with these online businesses, what happens is once you start advertising and people actually start signing up, what happens is that starts to create that secondary form of income for you. So not only do you have that disposable income, or lack thereof, depends on your situation and also how you spend, but it doesn't matter. Once you have that monthly check coming in every month, just from what your advertising and marketing efforts, it makes for a nice lifestyle. So this is just one way, another way that you can make that monthly income. But one great thing about Advertising Boost, it actually allows you to give away those vacations. So once someone signs up for Advertising Boost, what they do is just signing up to go on those vacations, and you actually get 40% of those bills and of those individuals that sign up. So that's pretty nice. So let me go to the next step. And now what this is just that last step to teach you how to work it all together, and now how to make it snowball. Because all it takes, all we're looking for is one person to say yes, and as they start to say yes with one, we want them to say yes to all. But even if they say only want Easy One Up and ClickMagick and that's it, that still makes for a nice payday for yourself, because instead of just one paycheck, now you have 5. So guys, I didn't mean to take it up. I didn't mean to take up too much of your time, but one of also the great things about Funnel X ROI is that they teach you how to drive traffic. Now, one of the hardest things on the internet, and it'll take you a lot of time, it's time consuming, is that traffic. Learning how to drive qualified traffic to your particular website so you can earn the income that so many people are promoting. So that's one of the great things about this system, is that it's pretty much it has everything for you. So let me say this: if you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to send me an instant message or comment on this video. Let me know what you think, and also let me know how I've done. So if you guys have any questions beyond around the scope of, you have questions about the income streams, or maybe you have a question about how to make this thing work for you, all you got to do is just send me a message. You know, you can always give me a call. And what I mean a call is just hit me up on my instant messenger. If need be, if you can't get in touch with me on my instant messenger, you can definitely send me a phone call as well through Facebook. I do a lot better with those. I do sales anyway, so I'd rather speak to you through the phone, or if need be, we can definitely set up a time and I can do a Zoom call with you. We can do whatever you like if you have questions. Again, this is Otis Thomas. Wanted to reach out to you. Like I said, be great, but also if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on my instant messenger, or just give me a comment on this video, or send me a call through Facebook. Thank you. I hope you have a great day.